So we're on our way back from gigging in Norfolk, and it occurred to us that we are driving very close to RAF Mildenhall in Suffolk, which is coincidentally the base that Paul Meyer, the subject of our song Buckle Up, where Paul Meyer was based, and in 1969 so homesick was he that he stole a Hercules aircraft to try, in an effort to try and fly back to his wife in Virginia. You won't see RAF Mildenhall is behind us, it's about a mile that way. We thought we'd be chancing our arm by recording right outside the base. So we thought better of that.
We'll pick the camera up in a bit when we've finished and show you. You can just about see some airplanes over there, so we'll
just to prove
show you that
we
bit
are
at the
here.
end.
Yeah. But we thought it would be a good opportunity to do this out and about. Buckle up. I'm 23. I've seen more life than most. I've served you well, abandoning my post. My heart's ripped open, I need to hold her hand. I'm heading west, I'm Virginia bound. Find a bird, make her ready to fly. Fill her up, I'll see you by and by. Oh my Jane, I'm coming home. That is all I need to know. Voice as sweet as cherry wine. She tells me little Henry is doing fine. I got some trouble, I'll call you back in 5. If I'm still alive. I was overcooked, but they were blind to all of the signs. I was gonna blow, it's just a matter of time. When your mind's on fire, who's gonna quench that flame? You can't get a grip, can't even say her name. Buckle up, make sure that road is clear. Hit that switch, 'cause I'm out of here. Oh my Jane, I'm coming home. That is all I need to know. Voice as sweet as cherry wine. She tells me little Henry is doing fine. I got some trouble, I'll call you back in 5. If I'm still alive. '69, Sgt Meyer took that plane. He was heading home, but he's never seen again. Buckle up, make sure that runway's clear. Hit that switch, 'cause I'm out of here.
Oh, my Jane, I'm coming home. Oh, my Jane, I'm coming home. Oh, my Jane, I'm coming home.
Oh, my Jane, I'm coming home.
I'm coming home.
That is all I need to know.
I'm coming home.
Voice as sweet as cherry wine.
I'm
She
coming
tells me
home.
little Henry is doing fine.
I'm coming
Oh,
home.
my Jane, I'm coming home.
I'm coming home.
That is all I need to know. Voice as sweet as cherry wine. She tells me little Henry is doing fine.
I got some trouble. I'll call you back in 5. Go and lift the camera up
Yeah.
so you can see. Hopefully be able to see just in the distance there. Over the top of that.
Hold on.
Be able to see some aeroplanes there.
Yep, and just see the tails. Just there.
Yeah, and that is,
It's control tower.
yeah.
There's the military police heading our way. So we better make a quick
Getaway.
exit.
There you go. So that was Milton Hyde, all over the place, almost live. And we're going to start heading home now because we're both very tired. 'Cause
I'm tired, I'm not too bad.
it was very cold in the tent last night. So bye all.
Hang on. I'll say goodbye as well.
Yeah.
See ya. Bye. Bye from Mildenhall.
Milton Hyde in Mildenhall.